If I told you that just two simple words could instantly change how women feel about you, would you believe me? Because after this video, your conversations, your confidence, and even the way women look at you will change. Pause. Lean in. Most men chase attraction. Smart men trigger attraction. And today I'll show you the two magic words that do exactly that. Cut to title screen. Begin script 1. Introduction. Why you're struggling with women. Let's be honest for a moment. If you clicked this video, there's a reason. Maybe you've been ignored. Maybe women lose interest. Maybe conversations die too fast. Maybe you feel invisible around women you like. And you think, what am I doing wrong? Let me break the truth to you. It's not your face. It's not your height. It's not your bank account. It's not your clothes. It's one thing: how you make her feel. Because women don't fall for looks first. They don't fall for money first. They don't fall for muscles first. They fall for emotion. They fall for connection. They fall for feeling understood. And the problem? Most men never create this feeling. But two powerful words can instantly change the vibe. Two words that trigger curiosity, connection, and emotional magnetism. We'll get to the two words soon. But first, you need to understand why they work. This will blow your mind. 2. The truth about attraction. What women don't say out loud. Women won't tell you this directly, but here's the psychological truth. A woman is not attracted to men who impress her. She's attracted to men who express themselves clearly and confidently. There is a difference. Men try to impress with expensive flexing, long explanations, trying too hard, over compliments, pretending to be someone else, bragging. All of this triggers one thing in her brain: he's insecure. Because when you over-explain, overgive, or over-try, you don't look confident. You look like you want approval. Women don't want a man who chases approval. Women are drawn to men who create emotional presence. And guess what? Two words do exactly that. Before I give you the magic words, you need the foundation. Otherwise, they won't work. Stay with me. 3. Why most men lose women in the first 10 seconds. Let me give you a scenario. A man meets a woman he likes. His brain immediately goes, "Don't mess this up. I need to be interesting. I need to make her laugh. I need to impress her." And instantly, he becomes stiff, nervous, awkward, not himself. Women can sense this instantly because women are emotionally intelligent. They can read tone, body language, nervousness, insecurity very fast. The moment she feels pressure from you instead of confidence from you, attraction dies. Women want a man who is present, comfortable, centered, not trying to perform. And here's the interesting part. You can change her entire impression of you with just two words. We're almost there. But first, 4. Psychology. The two things women are secretly attracted to. If you understand these two things, you understand attraction. A. Women are attracted to men who lead emotionally. This doesn't mean controlling her. It means controlling yourself, your tone, your presence, your vibe. When you're solid, calm, and intentional, women feel safe around you. Safety equals attraction. B. Women are attracted to men who create space for her to talk, space for her to express, space for her to open up, space for her to feel comfortable. Men who talk too much destroy this. Men who try too hard destroy this. Men who over-explain destroy this. Now imagine, two words that instantly create emotional leadership, calm confidence, presence, curiosity, mystery, deeper connection. You're about to get them. But once I reveal them, I'm also going to show you exactly how to use them so you don't misuse them, because used correctly, they can transform your interactions. 5. Story. The man who couldn't attract any woman. Let me tell you a short story. There was a guy named Armin. Average looks, average job, average life, but he had one big problem. He was invisible to women. Whenever he liked a woman, he froze up. He overthought everything. He became someone he wasn't. Women showed zero interest. He tried everything. Dating app style upgrades, pickup lines, gym confidence videos, nothing worked? Then one day, an older mentor told him the two magic words. Armin laughed. He thought it sounded too simple. But the mentor said, "Trust me, these two words are what confident men use naturally. They pull women in without force." Armin tried it at a cafe, at a friend's gathering, at a co-worker's dinner, and for the first time in his life, women were drawn to him. They listened to him more. They opened up to him instantly. They started flirting first. They asked him questions. They looked at him differently. They wanted to be around him. He didn't change his style. He didn't change his looks. He didn't change his job. He changed his presence with two words. Now you're ready to hear them. 6. The two magic words, "I'm listening." That's it. Simple, but unbelievably powerful. You might think, that's it? That's too basic. But no, these two words are much more powerful than you think when used the right way. Let me explain why. 7. Why I'm listening is magnetic to women. Reason number 1. 95% of men don't listen. Most men wait to talk. They interrupt. They try to fix things. They compete. They talk about themselves too much. But when a man says, "I'm listening," and genuinely means it, her brain thinks, "This man gets it. He understands me. I feel comfortable with him. I can open up to him. I trust him." Trust, comfort, emotional space equals attraction. Reason number 2. It feels intimate without being sexual. Most men jump too quickly into flirting or try to get physical too soon. But when you create emotional intimacy first, physical attraction follows naturally. "I'm listening" creates emotional intimacy instantly because nobody listens anymore. Nobody is present anymore. Nobody gives attention without wanting something in return. A man who listens stands out. Reason number 3, it shows unshakable confidence. An insecure man tries to fill silence. A confident man is calm within silence. When you say, "I'm listening," and then let her talk, it shows patience, control, presence, maturity, emotional intelligence. This is incredibly attractive. Reason number 4, it makes her invest in you. Here's the psychology. When someone talks about themselves, they feel closer to you. By letting her express herself, you're making her invest effort into the interaction. The more she talks, the more she feels bonded to you. Reason number 5, it creates a safe emotional environment. Women fall for men who make them feel emotionally safe. Not the loudest man, not the richest man, not the most muscular man. The man who makes her feel seen and heard. These two words do exactly that. 8. How to use "I'm listening" the right way. These two words alone won't work unless the delivery is right. Here's how a confident man uses them. Step 1, eye contact. Not creepy, not staring, just steady. Step 2, calm tone. Say it slowly. Not excited, not nervous, not loud, just calm and grounded. Step 3, relaxed body language. Shoulders down, breathing slow, face soft. Step 4, say it when she's opening up, example moments. She shares a story. She's talking about her day. She's expressing an emotion. She's explaining something important. She seems unsure whether you're paying attention. You calmly say, "I'm listening." Magic. Step 5. Don't interrupt. This is crucial. Let her talk. Let her flow. Let her express. When she pauses, you reflect back something small she said. This shows presence. 9. Examples of real conversations. Example 1, she's sharing something personal. Her. "Sometimes I feel overwhelmed with everything." You, gentle nod. "I'm listening." She will open up. Guaranteed. Example 2, she's unsure you care. Her. "I don't know if this makes sense." You, soft smile. "I'm listening." Watch her relax. Example 3, she starts explaining her dreams. Her. "I've always wanted to travel." You, "Go on, I'm listening." Now she feels encouraged instead of judged or ignored. Example 4, she's nervous talking to you. Her. "I'm not good at telling stories." You, "Take your time, I'm listening." Suddenly, she feels safe with you. 10. What happens in her mind when you say this neuroscience time? When a woman feels heard, Oxytocin increases, cortisol decreases, she relaxes, she feels bonded to you, she associates you with comfort, she feels safe, she feels connected, and when she feels connected, attraction becomes natural, not forced, not manipulated, not faked, just natural. 11. What not to do, important. If you do these things, the magic words lose power. Don't say it too often. Don't fake interest. Don't stare aggressively. Don't use it to try to manipulate her. Don't jump to giving solutions. Don't use it if you're distracted. Women sense authenticity instantly. Use these words only when you are present. 12. Advanced tip. Pair it with this one sentence. Say these two magic words, then add this simple sentence. Tell me more. Combine both and you become trustworthy, attentive, emotionally strong, confident, different from other men. Most men never do this. That's why it works so effectively. 13. Story. The girl who fell for the listener. Let me tell you another quick story. There was a woman named Zara, beautiful, smart, ambitious. Men constantly tried to impress her. Fancy cars, pickup lines, overconfidence, superficial flirting. Nothing worked on her. Until one day, she met a guy at a friend's gathering. He didn't try to impress her. He didn't brag. He didn't seek attention. He simply said, "I'm listening," and let her speak. For the first time, she felt peaceful around a man. She later admitted, "I don't know why, but with him, I felt safe instantly." That's attraction, not physical, emotional. 14. The secret. Women aren't looking for perfect men. Women don't want flawless men. They want men who listen, understand, lead with calm energy, respect. Emotions make them feel seen, are present, aren't insecure. "I'm listening" is the gateway to that energy. 15. How your life will change when you start using this. When you master this energy, women trust you more. Your conversations become deeper. Your confidence increases. You stop overthinking. You stop chasing. You become naturally attractive. Women feel drawn to you. They initiate more, they invest more, they open up to you, they see you as rare. You stand out from 99% of men. Why? Because emotional presence is rare in today's world, especially in men. 16. Final reveal. "I'm listening" makes you different. Women meet funny men, rich men, attractive men, fit men, successful men, clever men, but they almost never meet men who listen. This is your superpower. These two words hold weight because they're rare. Women crave emotional presence. Women crave connection. Women crave to be understood. You become unforgettable when you give them that. 17. Conclusion plus call to action. So let's wrap this up. You don't need perfect looks, fancy style, six-pack abs, pickup lines, money, popularity to attract women. You need one thing: presence. And the two magic words that deliver that presence are, "I'm listening." Use them with confidence. Use them with authenticity. Use them with intention. And watch how everything changes. If this video helped you, I want you to do 3 things. Like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe for more powerful psychology-based content, because the next video I'm releasing will take your confidence to a whole new level. Thanks for watching, and remember, attraction doesn't start with looks, it starts with presence.